Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the April mystery kit from iShop. So without further ado, let's get started. So this theme is called Green Thumb. It is a gardening theme. It is so adorable. I love it so much. I love the pink with the green. It's just super, super cute. So we have our full kit here. So this is our full boxes, our heart checklists, our headers and little things, quarter boxes, half boxes, appointment labels, washi, bill-do, habit tracker, and flags, your functional page, the glitter headers, heart checklist, and deco. So that is our full kit. And then our tiny kit is our glitter headers. They come with the tiny kit, the same full boxes, appointment labels, quarter boxes, half boxes, washi, and heart checklists, and then your functional page on there. So that is the kit for April. I really enjoyed making this one. I'm definitely gonna be gardening this year, but we also have some add-ons for each kit. So the add-ons for this month are these fruit and veggie icons. I think they are so cute. They're nice and small. You can use them to mark gardening, you can use them to mark eating or whatever, but they're very cute. And then we also have these gardening checklists. So we have water, weed, and fertilize in each little box here, and they come in our brights colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed this month's mystery. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you missed it this month, it will be coming back in June for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day. Bye.